Welcome to the channel, guys. I'm just going to be showing you how to register and unlock any phone and get credit for the tools and place your orders here. As you can see, unlock tool with Remans and Phoenix for Samsungs, even your iPhone. So just note this is in rands, South African rands. So if you want to bypass phone and start your business, this is a good place to start. Easy to use, easy, very easy. Place an order. You can see I didn't upload it any money, but I have. I'll show you my slip. All services you'll find there. Searching for iPhone 15. See the prices on there. Just which tool you want to use. But yeah. As you can see the email, but just leave a comment if you want to find out more. It's very easy to use, fast and instant services. Just put in this red number and to flow it to the and you can see my receipt. You can see my orders were a success.